Still using that razor which leaves you with nicks and cuts? Are you sure you want to do that? Upgrade your grooming game with the new and improved Nethers Undercut Trimmer 2.0. You'll never have to worry about getting hurt down there, thanks to Nether Safe Tech. With the improved 6,500 RPM motor, it can trim through the thickest of bushes. The replaceable ceramic blades ensure an efficient and safe trimming experience, preventing any nasty nicks and cuts. That's not all. We've added Nethers Wireless Tech. Charges the trimmer from the ergonomic charging base directly. No cords, no fuss. For those hard-to-see areas, we've added the Nether Light. Illuminate through the darkest of your nether regions and trim with confidence. No more guessing games. Bring your shower routine to the next level with our IPX6 waterproof and ergonomic design. Take your time getting things just right with the long-lasting 90-minute battery life. And with a whisper-quiet 38 decibels, you can trim in peace and privacy. Don't worry, it stays between us only. So don't risk it with just any normal trimmer. Upgrade to the new Nethers Undercut Trimmer 2.0. Trust us, your nether regions will thank you.